Running ads used to be about targeting hacks. You would find the right keywords, pick the right interests, and the sales would roll in. But those days are officially dead. Today the algorithm is the boss. Meta, Google, and TikTok don't care about your audiences anymore. They care about your creatives. The people who see your ads are determined by your content, not by your settings. If you aren't launching multiple fresh ad variations constantly, you're losing opportunities, you're losing the auction. And it gets even tougher. Studies say that 60% of people tune out an ad after seeing it just 3 times. That's ad fatigue, and it's killing your ROI while you are stuck waiting for a designer to send you the first draft. Let's be real, creating winning ads is the hardest part of the ad business. It means endless brainstorming, haggling with expensive designers, and fixing sloppy copy. It's a 6-figure salary overhead just to stay relevant. But what if all of that changed? What if you could unleash a storm of high-paying customers to any business in seconds? What if you had an elite creative team working non-stop for you without the 6-figure salary? Introducing Adstorm AI, the world's first universal ad creator that turns any URL into a high-converting ad library in seconds. Adstorm isn't just an image generator, it's an all-in-one AI ad agency in your pocket. Whether you are an e-com store owner, a SaaS founder, a coach, or a local business, Adstorm makes you a winner with its 4 pillars of online ads. First, it creates amazing visuals. We're talking scroll-stopping images and high-energy videos designed to turn attention into clicks. Second, it writes perfect copy. No more blank screen syndrome. Get high-converting headlines, hooks, and calls to action tailored for every specific platform. Third, it generates multiple angles. Don't just run one ad. Adstorm gives you dozens of alternatives instantly so you can test until you win. And fourth, it makes tailored ads for every platform. Every platform has a different vibe. A Facebook ad fails on TikTok, a Google display ad won't work on Pinterest. In the past, targeting multiple platforms meant redesigning your work multiple times. With Adstorm, you get custom-crafted ads for every single platform: Facebook, Google, TikTok, YouTube, X, Pinterest, Reddit, and Quora. You get every ad format too: text ads, image ads, video ads, carousels, and even search ads. Adstorm delivers them all, sized perfectly and ready to publish. Why is this so critical right now? Because of the big shift in platform algorithms. Meta and Google now use the ad itself to find your audience. The ad is the targeting. That's why you need to flood your ad account with fresh creatives. If you can't experiment and you can't test, you lose. Companies using AI-generated creatives have already reduced their customer acquisition costs by 30%, and with Adstorm, you aren't saving just time, you are boosting your profit margins. And you can do it not just for yourself, but your clients too. The global ad agency market is worth over $430 billion. Ads are the most profitable niche in marketing, and agencies routinely take a 15 to 20% cut of the total ad budget. Before Adstorm, you needed a team of 10 to run a high-ticket agency, but now you can be a solo powerhouse. You can fulfill the creative needs of 10 clients in the time it used to take for one. Fast delivery, no overhead, and margins that your competitors can't touch. Adstorm has all the features you need to make ad success easy. Generate fresh angles, winning ideas, beautiful visuals, and compelling copy with just a click. You can clone other ads too. Yes, if you see an ad you like, you can snap it up and get Adstorm to create a new ad for your business with the inspiration. You can also create product mockups and UGC videos instantly. Plus, you can bring in your own logos, graphics, and branding to keep your look consistent. Adstorm creates ads in all major global languages, target any region, any location, and grow any niche. So are you ready to grab the ad advantage and make your marketing easy and profitable? Take advantage of the special sale we have right now. Adstorm is currently at a price you may never see again, so act fast before it increases. Remember, there is zero risk for you. Your purchase today is protected by our 30-day hassle-free money-back guarantee. If you don't like Adstorm for any reason at all, just tell our support team within 30 days and we will refund every single cent. The risk is entirely ours. Don't make the mistake of passing on this opportunity. Stop letting your competitors get ahead. Get Adstorm and claim your ad-generated profits today. Click on the button below to create your account instantly.